Hi, I'm Danny Matthews. I suspect you're just starting to investigate Medicare for the first time, not quite sure how it works exactly, or how to start the enrollment process. It's hard to know where to begin when you're bombarded by tons of junk mail, those Medicare ads on TV with famous celebrities, and everyone has those well-intentioned friends that suggest you should enroll blindly into the plan they happen to have. It can be overwhelming, and a lot of people just don't do the research. They don't know who to believe. Then they rush the process and don't end up with the right plan for their situation. I get it. Just remember, you only have a finite amount of time to get enrolled, or that door closes and you could face future penalties when you finally do sign up. The good news is, it's possible to get all the details you need and really shorten your learning curve by letting me show you how to do the research correctly. I'll hold your hand every step of the way. I'm local, I've been a broker for over 30 years, and I'm independent. That means I represent dozens of companies as a broker, but I don't work for any of them. So you'll get unbiased information. Plus, I'm easy to talk with. Promise I won't get all salesy with you, but I will make the process easier than you can imagine. If you're watching this short clip, we've probably already had our first introduction by phone. You're probably applying for Part A and B right now. So the next step will be to make an appointment to discuss plan options and find one that'll fit you best. We'll discuss your doctors, your prescriptions, and we'll narrow down your choices. So after you get your confirmation letter in the mail from Social Security, you should schedule our next appointment so I can give you my undivided attention during our call. When ready, just click on the link on my website to get to my calendar and make your next appointment. The link's at the top of my webpage on Medicare101.net. I look forward to continuing this process with you step by step. It's going to be really easy for you, I promise. Have a great day.